Being an actor, I'm just so proud of my job, and I'm sure all of the people who's here tonight, because with our job comes a lot of responsibility.
With the most number of cash tonight, Joshua Garcia.
Totoo to, kinabahan ako kasi actually kinakabahan pa rin ako. Lalo na nung kanina, nung medyo special awards, sabi ko, oh no, I'm not going home.
Supporting actor goes to... You wanna read this? Elijah Canlas, Senior ID5 A to Z. Congratulations. Presenting the awards, BMPC Past President, Chairman of the 37th Star Awards for TV, Mr. Roldan Castro.
Thank you. Won't take too much of your time. Thank you, PMPC, for the surprise. Akala ko mag-host na ako ngayon, pero may pag-ganito pala. So thank you, PMPC, kasi lahat po na bumubuo ng PMPC. Thank you to God, thank you to my family, my mom, my dad, my kuya. Thank you to all our directors, our writers, the whole cast and crew of Senior High. Sa management ko, Sir Erickson, Sir Jeff at the GM Cornerstone Entertainment. And yeah, ginawa ko ito panahon, madami akong binubuhat, kakamatay lang nung bunso namin. So inaalay ko ito sa kanya para sa'yo, JM. Thank you po. Kasi mag-represent naman ako ngayon.
Congratulations, bro. So just for a recap, Vito Boy had awards, Jella had an award, you had an award.
Parang ikaw dapat.
I'm hoping for this next category, I would win.
Dapat, no?
Sana.
And this next category is for the Best Drama Supporting Actress.
Okay.
May chance. Malakas yung chance. Malakas yung chance. And the nominees are... And the star for the Best Drama Supporting Actress goes to... Miss Cherry Baibagache! FPJ's Barak Quiapo, TV5 A to Z. Congratulations, Miss Pai.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's all rise and kneel before Miss Cherry Baibagache. Presenting the award is BMPC Assistant Secretary Mildred Bakut.
Sa wakas. No, I would really like to thank PMPC. Maraming salamat. Kaya ako talaga nagpunta. Bihira itong mangyari. I'm always nominated, pero bihira.
There, okay. It's all good.
Hello.
Ladies and gentlemen, first time, once again, Miss Cherry Baibagache.
Ayun nga, sa wakas, sinulit talaga. Thank you to the Philippine Movie Press Club. Maraming salamat talaga. Katulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, kaya ako talaga nagpunta. Kasi bihira ito bihira ko manalo. Laging nominated, so thank you talaga. And you know, this is a good affirmation for all the hard work and love I put into my craft. So, salamat. But you know, in any creation, I cannot only do it alone as an actor. I always collaborate, and it's always a teamwork. So with this recognition, I would like to share it with ABS-CBN. Of course, Tita Cory, Sir Carlo, Sir Mark, everyone. To my Dreamscape family, with loving thoughts to Sir Deo Edginal, I'm sure you're smiling up there, our founder of Dreamscape, and to my B61 management, headed by Mr. B-Boy Arboleda.
You're shooting that photo, bro. All right, and the star for Best Single Performance by an Actor goes to Mr. Alden Richards. Nagpakailanman sa puso at isipan, the Cantillana Family Story GMA7, and presenting the award is PMPC PRO Eric Borromeo with Honorable Mamay of Nunungan, Manao del Norte.
Check. Tama ka na, Robby. But anyway po, I know it's kind of late, but I would really like to take this opportunity to, of course, thank PMPC for this award po. But portraying the role of Andrew Cantillana is one of the most important roles I've done in my 15 years in the industry. I would like to thank, of course, the people behind Magpakilanman, of course, Kuya Sen Duque, who's here, my director, Direk Gina, and to all the cast members that was part of that storytelling. This award is not for me. I dedicate this award to those who are experiencing mental health problems. I think mental health is somehow unheard by the society, and the reason why I accepted the role is for me to be able to send a message to all the people who's going to be able to watch that series. Dahil ang mental health po ay hindi biro, hindi siya iniisip lang at gawa-gawa lamang ng mga nakaka-experience nito. Me personally was a victim of mental health issues. And growing up, my mom had bipolar depression, so I knew and I know exactly what it feels like, how it is to live in a household na meron po ganun klaseng suliranin. So with this, I hope that being an actor, I'm just so proud of my job, and I'm sure all of the people who's here tonight, because with our job comes a lot of responsibility. And we are able to send messages from different walks of life. Kaya sana po, with this award, I dedicate this to all the people who's undergoing something in their lives right now. The hardships, the struggles, napakahirap pong kalaban ng isip, napakahirap pong kalaban ng sarili. And I've been there, and I know. So to everyone who's listening to this message, to everyone who has these kinds of problems right now, I hear you, we hear you, and we are here to support and help you the most we can. So, para po to sa lahat ng mga taong dumadanas ng mental health issues and mental health problems. And to the Cantillana family, if you're listening and watching this, sinabi ko to before when I did a Facebook live stream for the episode, I'm here for you guys. I know how it feels like. And one way or another, malalagpasan din natin lahat ng to. So, this is for you guys. This is for those people that's part of our society. And of course, Lord, thank you so much for making me an instrument to send messages and to be of help to the ones in need. Maraming salamat po sa PMPC.
Congratulations, Al. Congratulations.
Thank you for that beautiful and heartfelt speech, grabe. Nakaka-inspire. And tama, let's all be kinder to each other. Now finally, one of the most coveted trophies tonight. Sino nga ba ang nagbuwagi tonight? The star for the best single performance by an actress. Nominees pa na pala. Here are the nominees. The Abuse Teacher, GMA 7.
Presenting the award is PMPC Past President and Auditor Rodel Fernando.
Thank you. And thank you PMPC Star Awards for this Best Single. Ang sarap namin, wait lang. Best Single Performance by an Actress. Actress na ako! Oh my God! And lahat, ilan po yata sa inyo, alam niya na first love ko ay dancing. Siguro from Eat Bulaga to Daisy 7 hanggang sa nagkaroon ako ng interes sa acting sa Amaya. Doon ko naintindihan na bilang actress ay kinakalaban ko lagi yung sarili ko. Kapag may binigay sa akin role o trabaho, sinisigurado ko na mas mahigitan ko yung ginawa kong huling role. And china-challenge ko lagi yung sarili ko. Kaya itong award na to ay napaka-fulfilling. Kaya linamnam ko kanina, napaka-rewarding, maraming salamat. And sa lahat ng kasama ko sa nominasyon para po sa inyo to, sa lahat ng katrabaho namin sa industriyang ito, mula sa lahat ng staff, directors.
May award na si Kuya Robby.
Oh my God. Thank you so much. I actually didn't really expect this at all. This is my first award as Best Male TV Host. Thank you so much, PMPC. To be nominated alongside those big names is an honor in itself, you know. But I prayed for this, I hoped for this, I dreamed for this, and now it's here. Thank you, Lord. I would love to thank ASAP, my ASAP family, for entrusting me the mic for the variety show. I'd love to thank ABS-CBN, my Star Magic family, my own family, my whole team, and my wife. Thank you for the love and support. And Mikey, we did it. We did it. Thank you, PMPC. Mabuhay po kayo.
TV5 A to Z. Donnie Pangilinan, Can't Buy Me Love. TV5 A to Z. Dennis Trillo, Maria Clara at Ibarra, GMA7.
And the star for Best Drama Actor goes to Joshua Garcia, Unbreak My Heart, GMA7. Presenting the award is PMPC former President and 37 Star Awards for TV Overall Chairman, Fernando Guzman.
Wow. Okay. Magandang gabi po. Hindi ko na mapatagalin. Papasalamat ako. Maraming salamat. Una sa Panginoon and to my family, friends, and thank you rin sa ABS-CBN, sa GMA, sa bosses ng ABS-CBN, Sir Carlos, Sir Mark, and of course, kay Tita Cory, and sa Star Magic. Thank you rin, Direk Loren. And of course, maraming salamat sa nagtiwala sa akin at nagbigay sa akin ng role na to. Kay Sir Deo Entrenal, maraming salamat. And sa mga co-actors ko, tulad ng sabi ni Miss Cheripel kanina, hindi niya matatanggap yung award kung hindi dahil sa mga kasama niya. So same din, hindi ko matatanggap tong award na to kung hindi dahil sa mga co-actors ko. So thank you rin kila Jody, Gabby, Papa Chen, at of course sa aming director and writers, Direk Manny, Direk Tali, maraming salamat din. At ang award na ito ay para sa buong team ng Unbreak My Heart. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations, Best Drama Actor with the most number of cash tonight, Joshua Garcia. Congratulations, brother. Yes, congratulations.
Much deserved.
Okay, here we go. The star for the Best Drama Actress goes to Rian Ramos, Royal Blood GMA 7. Presenting the award on stage is PMPC President Mel Navarro.
Thank you. Totoo ito, kinabahan ako kasi, actually kinakabahan pa rin ako. Lalo na nung kanina, nung medyo special awards, sabi ko, oh no, I'm not going home. But thank you so much. What a great evening full of surprises. Well, first of all, I want to dedicate this to my home network, GMA, to whom I have dedicated 19 years of my life, and I will continue to dedicate every good thing that comes to me. Thank you so much, GMA, for the trust that you put in me. I want to thank my management, of course, for always encouraging me, guiding me, and grounding me. Most importantly, thank you so much, Michael Ricoco, Iko Carrion, and with me every single day. The only reason why I can function properly at taping. Rachel Librado, my handler. Thank you so much. I want to thank my boyfriend, who always encourages me also, and makes me believe that I'm great and that I can do things. Thank you. Of course, my family, my mom and my sister and my dad, who have encouraged me throughout the years, even if they know that it's a crazy business. Yes, and of course, I want to go on to thank every part of Royal Blood and all of the people who are responsible for making me a part of the show, who encouraged me that I can do a role like this, even if I didn't think I could in the beginning. So thank you, Miss Helen, Mr. Jean, Miss Cheryl, and of course, Sir RJ, who wrote Royal Blood and constantly gave me flaming hoops to jump through all the time. Thank you. Of course, our director, Dominic Zapata, Aya Tupasio. Thank you so much. Miss Winnie, Miss Katie, who led our team.